Yeah. You're in the way. I'm sorry. Are we going no? Oh, not Tuesday. You get that? Oh, yeah, you're busy.
busy. Yeah.
Oh, frick. Oh, man. Yo!
What's up, everybody? Keemstar here.
You know when? Okay, he didn't need the stairs, so.
Yeah, my butt's too big, guys.
Whoa!
Literally stuck right now. Hi.
Alright, so we're going camping. This is my first time going camping. I'm gonna vlog everything out there, so we'll see how it goes. We're gonna have fun, and see you guys.
Oh my.
So we finished putting down the tent. We still have to fix the insides of it. And it's currently raining outside right now, and it's raining hard. Yeah, so I can't go out and have an adventure yet. I gotta have to wait. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog over here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be on the bio section below. And also, there's gonna be more adventures, don't worry. On the next video, I'm gonna put it in there. More trekking. Oh my god, I have a cold. I'm sorry. There's gonna be more trekking at night and also biking and also swimming. So I'm gonna try my iPhone 7 if it's gonna be suitable for underwater videos. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.